If you can't sit still for 5 minutes, these may be for you. These are my fidget balls. Look how cool these are. These are magnetic balls. These have all got different textures on. So that one's ridged, that one's bumpy, that one's spiky, and that one's dimpled. I went for the purple, but you can get these in different colours. And you can also get them in a set of 8 as well. But you can just play with these because they've all got different textures on them. They're really tactile. I actually got these as a second set for my niece's little girl. She's already got the pink set, but she does use them when she's getting really overwhelmed and needs to focus. But honestly, these are perfect for kids or even for adults, for anybody that just needs to keep their hands a little bit busy. And they come in this perfect little carry case, so you can easily pop them away when you need to. I think these are great, especially for the price that I paid for them. But if you want to go and have a look for yourself, what I'll do is I'll get them linked down there for you.